Hi everyone, this is Dr. Stefan with a little quick video. Guys, I get some really interesting questions on this channel. It's a little bit funny, but you need to be a bit careful because when I presented how to use inhalers, basically I have a couple of videos on my channel about how to use inhalers and, inhaler technique, etc. But I get some really funny questions because I think a lot of people tinker with their inhalers. They try to see how that device works, they want to play a little bit, twist bits that aren't supposed to be twisted. And then they ask me, oops, I think I broke the inhaler and I can't use it anymore. Guys, you have to admit it's a medical device. You need to be careful with it. So, try to follow what's written in the leaflet. And if you have one way of using the inhaler that's been described there, you really should follow that. Because then it's really hard to fix it and you're wasting money if it doesn't work anymore. And it's your health at the end of the day. So most of the time you can't break them. They're quite, bulletproof, let's call them. But be careful, because if you play around with it, if you tinker too much with it, if you take a little pen, you try to move the dial, it shows you how many doses you've got, or you twist the top mouthpiece or things like that. Because I've seen these in questions. Oh, I've changed the dial, I've put it to 0. How did you do that? So these are, interesting things that I would say be careful, because, you're breaking an inhaler that potentially costs a lot of money. So depending on where you are in the world, an inhaler can cost, up to like a couple of $100s in the United States, which is crazy to me. But, you don't want to do that. So yeah, that's just a little quick video. If you've got an inhaler, learn how to use it, ask your doctor, ask your nurse, try to see exactly how to use it, watch videos online, and if you get the technique right, try not to tinker too much with it, because you might break it and then you may not be able to replace it very soon, and you need it for your health. So that's just a quick message from me. All the best to you and good health.